Hello guys, today we are going to make a VR zombie shooter game. So to make this game we will need two Unity assets which is in Unity Asset Store. First one is Puppet Master which will give our character good ragdoll physics and ragdoll movements. So the next one is Auto Hand VR Interaction Pack. So this is a very good Unity asset for creating VR games. This will provide various of interaction for VR, including guns. So I am going to mix some more and choose my zombie character and first download it in TPOS. Then I am looking for some running animation and download it also. Make sure to check in place. Then click on the download button and select format FBX for Unity. Then I am going to download this without this key. Same like that, I am going to download idle animation and get up animation for this character. Then I will rename those character and character animations for better understanding. Our T-pose character as zombie base and running animation as zombie jog and idle animation as zombie idle, and last get up animation as the zombie get up. Then you have to open a VR ready Unity project. So I created a scene called gym. In this scene I'm going to create a plane as the floor. So I'll make a plane and make it big and add in a flow material for that. So you must sure to import those two assets which I mentioned in the earlier. So you have to install those two assets in the project successful. So I have already imported those two packages. So you can see here my AutoHand Unity package has successfully installed in the package manager. You can see in this my assets in the package manager, and if you install the Puppet Master package, you can see it in the plugins folder, root motions, and you will see a Puppet Master folder. So now I am going to show you the auto hand demo scene. So you can see the demo scene inside of the auto hand package folder of your project. So I am going to copy the pistol and the auto hand player game objects to my newly made scene. So I copy that from that scene and I'm going to paste in here. Then I am creating a new folder and rename as models. Now I'm going to import my zombie character and its animations here. So you can select the T-pose model, go to the rig tab, then set it to the humanoid and apply changes. Then go to the material tab and extract textures in a texture folder, which create a new folder and name it textures. Then extract the textures in here. Same as you must extract its material, create just a new material folder and extract the materials here. So then you can drag your zombie model in the scene. Then you can get the zombie model as you can see in the Mixamo website. So then I am going to make some changes in the models hierarchy. I am going to unpack the zombie model prefab because I want to make some changes in the model hierarchy. Because if you go to the Puppet Master demo scene, there are plenty of demo scenes in the Puppet Master. I am going to the Puppet extended scene. So first let's play the scene what we have got in the Puppet Master. So you can play like a normal character movement. So if we hit in a environment object, you can see it will give us a good ragdoll physics like falling. So now we are going to get this feature in our zombie character to make our VR experience. So you can see in here the character controller. It has some hierarchy, so we want to create that hierarchy same as in the our scene. This is not necessary, but I am doing this because it will give less errors during the implementations. So I am creating an empty game object in my zombie character game object. I call it as dummy, and inside of dummy I am creating another game object and name it as mesh. I am going to drag my all game objects belong to character mesh inside of mesh game object. Then I am going to also drag Mixamo rig into the dummy game object. Then you can select the zombie base game object and add the component called beep ragdoll creator. This component from the Puppet Master. So this will create a new ragdoll system for our zombie character, as same as you saw in the Puppet Master demo scene. So after click on the creator ragdoll, if you enable the gizmos in the scene, you can see that component will give us new ragdoll collision system for our zombie character. So you can click in each of the collisions, and also you can edit it manually. So for me this collision system is okay, so I am going to remove the ragdoll editor component because I have already get my collision system. As you can see, this ragdoll editor only for creating our collision system. So after getting our collision system, you can remove that ragdoll editor component. Then I am going to add puppet master component to our character parent. So then click on the setup puppet master. So after click on that button, you will see the hierarchy had created in your character as you saw in the puppet master demo scenes player character. So this is how you can create a ragdoll system for a custom character in puppet master. Then in here I'm going to add the target group as my dummy. Then I'm going to delete the zombie base game object, but I'm keeping the dummy as usual because I don't want that zombie base game object to be here. So if I play the scene, you can see our zombie character is in unusual movement. So just let's create a cube and test whether our zombie character's ragdoll is working or not. Yeah, it's working, but we have more far to go. So all about that unusual movement depending on this puppet master properties. So I have tested some properties for in my case, so you can test it in your project and change those properties. So in my case these properties are okay, so let's change the property and let's play the scene again. Yeah, now you can see it's working. It's like, so now you can see its ragdoll is working good way. So now let's make our zombie character as a AI agent. So like this zombie character must follow us. So let's make some script for that. I already had made some script called AI agent. You can copy the script. I will put a link in description. So this is a simple script that make our zombie character follow the player. It have neomesh agent, transform target and animator. So I will attach the AI agent script to my dummy game object, and also I will add an neomesh agent component and attach it to the AI agent script. So as the target, I'm going to add auto hand player inside of the auto hand player container game object. So now I am going to the idle animation which we just downloaded from the Mixamo. So I will drag and drop the idle animation into our dummy game object. So then I am going to the animator tab. You can see the idle animation is assigned in the animator. I am going to rename as the idle. So I am going to go to the idle animation and make it loop time true. So then we can get the loop animation. Also I make loop animation in our job. Then I'll drag and drop the job animation into our animator and rename as job. Then I will make transition between idle and job. Then create two triggers and call it idle and job. Then in idle to the jog transition, make the condition as the jog through. Then into the jog to idle transition, make the condition jog through. Both transition must be has exit time false. Then I'm going to the scene and play it. So then let's play our scene. So it gives many errors because our new message agent component didn't have baked well. Then I'm going to the Windows AI and open the navigation tab. In here I'm selecting my flow. Then set navigation static true and make the navigation area walkable. Then I'm going to the bake tab and press bake. Then after that I will make another change. Again I go to the puppet extended scene in the puppet master. So inside of the character you can see a pilot behavior game object. I'll copy the two children of that pilot behavior, which is Fall and Puppet. I'll copy those and paste in I'll copy those and paste in our zombie characters behavior game object and drag it inside to the behaviors game object. Now again I'll go to the puppet extended scene. Then open up the play characters animator component. Then copy those behavior puppet and behavior fall and paste it inside of our zombie characters animator component. Then make transition between puppet and our default state idle. Then I attach the animator to our AI agent. So I already got some properties to the nav mesh agent. You can also use my properties, so otherwise you can test it out and make the property value yourself. So then if we play the scene, we have got a good zombie character which have idle animation and follow the cue. If we hit the zombie with the box, he will fall and again get up. But as you can see, still our get up animation is not working properly. So let's make it work. So I'm go to the dummy game object and open up the animator. Then open up the puppet behavior. Inside of those three states, I'll replace the motion into our get up animation of the zombie character. Same as the behavior puppet in the inside of the fall behavior, I'll attach I'll replace the animation with the get up animation. Now if you play the scene again, if you hit the zombie character with the box, you can see now our get up animation of the zombie character is working properly. So now our zombie character is done, but it's now currently following box, but we have to follow the VR player. So I'll again attach the photo hand player as the target, then delete the box. Then now I am going to make some properties of the our photo hand gun. I have already customized the pistol script as we can show a blood effect when we shoot to the character. So I have already got a blood effect and I attach it to the pistol script. Then I'll make the hit power to the 50 or something. Then let's play the scene with the Oculus Quest 2. Let's see how we can see in the VR preview. Yeah, now it's following the VR player. Nice. So if we grab the auto hand gun and if we shoot the player, like it will give the blood effect and it will affect to the zombie with the ragdoll physics. Now I make some changes to the background because I need something darker look. So let's see how is the end.